Still need more money for college aid? Negotiate a better deal. Here are some quick tips. Colleges and universities give two kinds of financial aid: need-based and merit aid. With need-based aid, show that your need has increased. You can do this by detailing your changed financial circumstance, such as a job loss, a death in the family, or a medical diagnosis. Documentation is always a plus. Send the financial aid office proof, like a letter from your doctor, a layoff notice, or a death certificate. To appeal for additional merit aid, start by having multiple financial aid offers from similar schools with comparable acceptance rates or rankings. Leverage your highest financial aid offer by asking other colleges if they're able to match it. With both need-based and merit aid, it's important to give schools an excuse to provide you with more money. You should know that they won't rescind your offer. The worst-case scenario here is a polite decline.